English.
First one.
Second word.
Ano yun?
Tree. Christmas.
Charades.
Charade.
Christmas charade.
Christmas charade.
Christmas charade.
Last
Yesterday Christmas.
Last Christmas.
Tomorrow never die.
Last Supper. Last Supper.
Last Supper. Last Supper. Ito maganda. No, Palm Sunday. Ang hirap. Paano ba yun? Palm Sunday.
Hindi pwede mag-acting.
O, still na lang natin, no? Para
Oh, still, para competitive. Still.
Hindi, second word.
Second word is Christmas.
She's reading much.
Second word is Christmas.
Second word, Christmas.
Ay, alam ko na.
Ay, alam ko yan! Alam ko na yun! Alam ko na!
Last Christmas.
This Christmas.
This Christmas.
Still,
Ten
yes.
seconds. Eve. I choose.
Ah, wala
Timer
na.
done.